Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the Canva app and pick Collage or a custom canvas size to match your output. Tap Uploads to bring in photos from your camera roll or cloud storage, then drag several images into the workspace. Once done, choose a ready-made grid or place a blank frame. This is faster than resizing later and gives consistent margins. Make sure to lock your canvas size so elements won't shift when you move to detailed edits. Now refine composition. Tap each photo to crop, pinch to set focal point, and use align guides so images snap evenly. Apply uniform spacing by selecting the grid and using padding controls. That ensures visual rhythm across the collage. Once balanced, pick a cohesive filter or color overlay and set consistent text styles if adding captions, because a single palette ties mixed images together. If you need to rearrange, move layers, drag images above or below using the Position tool. To finish, export in the right format: PNG for crisp graphics, JPG for smaller files, or share directly from the app. Before downloading, confirm resolution and aspect ratio match your target platform and check bleed or safe zones if printing. If your image looks blurry, replace the low-resolution source photo or increase export quality settings. Sometimes toggling compress off fixes it. If elements overlap unexpectedly, use undo or lock layers to preserve the final arrangement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.